Hello, Chloe, Ginger, and Nestor. Welcome to the snowy homestead. Ah, I see somebody made a snow angel. Who was it? Was it you, Nestor? Was it Ginger? Was it Chloe? I don't know. Are you gonna make another one? So we bring hay down, put it in the hay feeder. The horses pull it out of the hay feeder, drop it on the ground, and eat it off the ground. But that's their natural instincts, to eat off the ground. Hi, Nestor. You just still checking out all the snow? Still not too sure? Well, you don't have to worry. In 2 days, it'll all be gone. Yeah. On Wednesday, it's going to be 50 and raining. So all this beautiful snow will be gone. Just walk over and check on the goats. Hi, girls. You're out checking out the snow? I know what you're doing. You're standing in the sun. Yeah, you're enjoying the sun. Well, the heaters are working. Your water's not frozen. I can see by all the footprints you guys have been over here drinking. Yeah. All right, let's go check on the other animal. Hi, Gronk. Hi, Brady. Gronk's coming over for some pets. How you doing, Brady? Brady, here's the girls. He's like, what are they doing? Yeah? They're standing out over there. Yeah. Hi, Shrek. How are you? So you guys are making a nice path back and forth along the fence line. Brady's like, yeah, I want to get to the girls. No, you did that last month. There's Spud. Spud's like, I'm hanging out inside. It's like, thanks for putting in that floor. Yeah. All right. I see the heater's working. Your water's nice and empty. I mean, not frozen. It's full, but not frozen. All right, let's go check on the chickens. Hi, girls. You enjoying your chicken coop? Your chicken run? Yeah? Plastic did its job down that end. No snow. Right? Alright, let's go check for some eggs. Oh, we got lots of eggs. All right, I'll come back and take care of the eggs. Daisy and Donald are inside. They've been walking around, but they're currently inside. So we'll go check on them inside. We'll be back. The goats are out foraging. You know you got hay inside, right? They're like, yeah, but we're goats. We forage. Hi, Rachel. No, that's Mia. That's not Rachel. Yep. I come inside to see you and you guys run outside? Huh? Yeah. So you got plenty of hay in here. I don't know why you're outside. Alright, I'm gonna go see if I can see Donald and Daisy. Let's go back outside. Hi Donald. Hi Daisy. How you doing? What do you guys think of the snow, huh? You want some open water source, huh? Yeah. We gotta find it. Yeah. Your water's frozen. I gotta fix it up for you. Yeah. We gotta get you some water. The water's inside isn't frozen. Bet you that's why you were inside. They're like, yeah, we like water. It wasn't frozen inside. Everybody's out here sunning. You're on the south side of everything. Okay. We got Ginger over there standing next to the tree. We got Nestor over here. And of course, Chloe's still eating. She's like, heck yeah, I'm gonna keep eating. All right, everybody. Well, that's our animals in the snow. They don't mind. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And the next video, we probably won't have snow. All right. Have a good one. Hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. And we'll see you tomorrow.